As the temperature rises, the snowpack becomes highly unstable. Even slight vibrations can cause it to collapse. Tons of snow can come crashing down, and the consequences can be catastrophic. As it tumbles downward, it accelerates to speeds of 100 miles per hour or more. In just 2 minutes, up to 1 million tons of snow hurtle down the mountainside. But avalanches can also bring some benefits. Ravenous ravens are usually the first to spot the casualties. A hungry golden eagle spots the ravens and doesn't think twice about stealing their spoils. There's not very much the weaker crows can do. In the unforgiving alpine winter, residents are doing everything they can to survive the harsh winter.